Polite ways to ask. Could you please tell me your name? Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we are delving into the realm of introductions. Specifically, we'll focus on the phrase, "Could you please tell me your name?" This phrase is an essential part of your English-speaking journey, allowing you to ask for someone's name in a polite and respectful manner. The phrase, "Could you please tell me your name?" is often used in formal situations or when you are talking to someone you don't know very well. The use of could and please in this question makes it very polite and respectful. Let's break down this phrase. Could is a modal verb that we use to make polite requests in English. You is the person you're asking the question to. Please is a magic word in English that makes any request more polite. Tell me is the action you're requesting, for the person to tell or give you some information. Your name is the specific information you're asking for. Putting all these parts together, we get the polite question. Could you please tell me your name? Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in conversation. For instance, you could use this phrase when meeting someone new at a conference. You. Hello, I don't believe we've met before. Could you please tell me your name? Stranger. Sure, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Remember, when using this phrase, always maintain a friendly and open tone. And there you have it, a polite and simple way to ask someone their name. Using, "Could you please tell me your name?" can help you build respectful relationships from your very first interaction. We hope this lesson was helpful for you. Please continue to practice this phrase and incorporate it into your English conversations. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.